Journey long, but me steps align. One time, me walk with roots under me feet, concrete meat. Every mile teach me something new, still true. Me nah rush finish line glow, me grow. Me carry lesson from rise and fall, stand tall. Each scar part of the map me read, life seed. Me nah regret the road them rough, built tough. Final roots walk, steady stride, no eye. Final roots walk, calm and strong, move on. Me salute the past, but me face ahead, cleared. Roots guide me future, without chain. Free rein, me walk with purpose, not escape. Firm shape. If the journey end tomorrow, man, no scar. Me know me walk true to me core. That show it's not the speed, but the way me tread. Paths spread, final roots walk, grounded soul. Whoa. Final roots walk, truth intact. From first step to final breath, roots na na na. Na na na. Night call, city mute, inner truth. Smoke rise low, time stretch wide, deep inside. Me light one spliff, but me quiet stay. Mind clear, not stray. Stillness louder than the noise outside. Ego slide. Me observe thought them pass like cloud. No crowd, no crowd. World rush fast, but me pace slow. Control. Every inhale ground me feet firm. Lesson learned. Me nah use smoke fi hide from fear. Make face clear. Smoke and stillness can't combine. Sacred time. Smoke and stillness. Mind align. Pure design. In the quiet, me hear me purpose speak. Soft but deep. Clarity come when me stop force. Natural cause me learn peace. Nah equal weak, equal weak. Strength peace. When smoke fade me center stay. Guide me way. Stillness follow me through the day. Not just play. Silence teach what nice can show. Let go. Smoke and stillness. Grounded soul in control. Smoke and stillness, stillness, stillness. Smoke and stillness. Steady grace. Smoke and stillness. Nice day. Calm mind, slow fire, rise higher. Smoke and stillness. Too much talk, too little sense. Me fence. Mind sharp, nice mute, clear out. Media scream but me volume low. Me know, me guard me mind like sacred zone. Leave alone, not every voice deserve attention. Select tension. Me filter fear and hype then sell. Break spell. Silence help me hear what real. Truth reveal. Me not drowning information flood. Pure blood. Mind over noise. Clarity win from within. Mind over noise. Calm control. Steady soul. Focus is a muscle me train daily. No lazy. Me choose depth over trending sound. Solid ground. Start discipline. Sharpen me aim. CM flame. When confusion cloud the common view. Me see through. Quiet mind always one step ahead. Well fed. Noise loud but wisdom whisper low. Listen slow. Mind over noise. Vision clear serene. Mind over noise. Forward move never lose. Clear head. Long sight. In a Ay, ay, ay. Time pass but me base remain. No stain. Roots deep, metal strong. No wrong. Trend change fast like weather swing. Me cling. Roots now rust under rain and sun. Solid one. Me not trade culture fi movement shine. tireless sign. History writing me bloodline code. Heavy load, me and a struggle where build me frame. No shame, roots teach me pride without ego flare. Self-aware, roots never rust, never fade, still played. Roots never rust, strong and sure, secure. Me nah polish selfie, please them me why. Authentic, rough edge still shine true. True rust come from neglect, not age. Wisdom teach me pass roots to the next youth. Them plant gem, legacy more than name and face. Living trace what we last beyond time test. No stress, roots never rust. Iron stance, no chance. Roots never rust. Culture stay night and day. Night and day. From old side to future roots love.
Na Zion is Zion, man.
Deep inside of sacred land, Jah plant roots with holy hand. Storm may rage, but still them stand. Eternal roots across the sand. Every season come or go, still the righteous roots will grow. Babylon fire can consume. Eternal roots forever bloom. Eternal roots forever strong. Stand the test of right and wrong. Hold the earth and hold the sky. Eternal roots will never die. Roots of love, roots of peace, grow until the war shall cease. Roots of mercy, roots of flame, grow forever in Jah name. From the elder to the youth, roots of Zion carry truth. From creation till today, roots of Zion light the way. Roots so deep no axe can cut, no life strong enough to shut. Through the drought and through the rain, eternal roots remain. Every culture, every tongue, sing the roots where we belong. From Africa to every land, eternal roots by Jah. Roots so mighty, roots so wide, carry people side by side. Roots of Zion never bend. Eternal roots without end. Eternal roots forever strong. Stand the test of right and wrong. Hold the earth and hold the sky. Eternal roots will never die. Day by day and year by year, eternal roots still standing here. me skin. Breeze from the ocean, me soul begin. Me wash me face in river divine. Thank Jah for the bread for this blessed time. Me sip me roots tea, me chant a prayer, burn a little sage, cleanse the air. The world full of noise, but me heart stay clear. Me step with peace, me carry no fear. Me wear me crown, me lock so long. Every strand carry Jah song. Me no rush, me move so strong. In a balance, that's where me belong. Me walk in a light of Jah love. Me rise like a dove. Every day me give thanks above. Inna the hills or the city street, me chant with the heartbeat beat. Rasta live what Babylon can't defeat. Riches or Babylon lies. Me plant me food under open skies. Me build me home with me own two hands. Me live simply like Zion man. Me play roots rhythm on the vinyl wheel. Me feel the dub, me spirit heal. Me children learn from nature school. Them grow strong, them live by Jah rule. No toxin in a me plate, just vital food me cultivate. The body a temple, clean and great. Me give Jah praise, me elevate. And when the stress come down, me light a spliff and sit down. Me meditate with no sound. Jah guide me mind, me steer ground. Inna me yard me hear the bird them sing, a sweet reminder of the joy life bring. Me plant more trees, me dance, me swing to rhythms that make me soul take wing. The people pass, them hail me name. Rasta man, your vibes never lame. Me tell them love is the holy flame. Burn the ego, burn the fame. Me no in a rush, me stay in tune. Me chant a psalm under the moon. Me play me drum, me sing me tune. Me walk with Jah, me heart immune. Me walk in a light of Jah love. Me rise like a dove. Every day me give thanks above. Inna the hills or the city street, me chant with the heartbeat beat. Rasta live what Babylon can defeat. Me no own big house or gold chain, but me rich in joy, me feel no pain. Me family close, me soul sustain. Rain or shine, me still remain. Me read from the book of wisdom days. Me reason deep in ancient ways. Me sight up Zion in a purple haze. Me chant for peace, me chant for praise. And when Babylon try confuse, me just sit in a me view. Mountains teach me what to do. Hold the line and walk it through. Me ride me bike down country road. Me carry herbs, me share the load. Me greet me elders, me speak me code. In a Rasta rhythm, me life unfold. Me know me mission, spread Jah light through music, love and ganja right. Me voice a spark in this endless night. Me shine for people, me chant them right. Me walk in a light of Jah love. Me rise like a dove. Every day me give thanks above. From Africa to yard and street, me chant with the heartbeat beat. Rasta stand tall, Babylon can't delete. So come follow the way of nature, peace and night today. With reggae sweet and ganja blaze, we lift the world in righteous praise. angels dance and sing. It blaze with fire, blaze with light. Throne of Jah forever bright. No crown of war, no chain of hate. Throne of Zion, open gate, forever ruling, strong and free. Throne of Jah, eternity. Throne of Zion, stand so tall. Jah forever rule we all. Justice flow like holy stream. Throne of Jah, the righteous dream. No man can bribe, no man can sway. Throne of Zion here to stay. It lift the humble, lift the meek. Throne of truth all people seek. Forever holy, never wrong. Throne of Jah forever strong. From dawn of time to endless day. Throne of Zion light the way. Me hear the thunder, hear the flame. Throne of Zion call Jah name. It judge the wicked, heal the pure. Throne of Jah forever sure. No Babylon can shake or bend. Throne of Zion have no end. Forever shining, pure and true. Throne of Jah for me and you. It guide the nations, guide the land. Throne of Zion firm hand. It stand above the fleet in power. Throne of Jah eternal tower. Forever blazing, never dim. Throne of Zion only him. Everlasting, ever near. Throne of Jah forever clear. When the trumpets sound again, Throne of Zion still remain. It shine eternal, never fall. Throne of Jah fi one and all. Forever strong, forever pure. Throne of Zion always sure. Holy light and holy song. Throne of Jah forever strong. Stand tall, bow down. Throne of Zion wear the crown. No hate, no war can shake away. Throne of Jah forever stay. Throne of Zion stand so tall. Jah forever rule we all. Justice flow like holy stream. Throne of Jah, the righteous dream. From age to age, from night to day. Throne of Zion never sway. Ay, ay, ay. Zion, Jamaica, Reggae, man. Them build up tower, but it can't last. System based pan shadow pass. Me sight the lies behind the smile. Them feed the youth a toxic style. But we awake, we see the plot. Them selling poison, call it lot. Me bun the chain, me lift me head. Jah light make me spirit fed. Burn Babylon slow. One truth has stopped the show. No need for rage or east. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Me see the hungry, the poor, the cry. While some fly jet in the sky. rage or haste. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Me burn them law we sell out man. Me burn the chain and Babylon plan. Me rise with urban heart of steel. Me chant the word that make them kneel. No violence, me burn them fake. Jah fire move like river wake. Me stand tall pan ancient stone. Babylon fall when truth is known. Me teach me youth, fi think and grow, fi plant new seed and make it show. Me no preach hate, me chant fi cleanse. Me build a bridge, no need fi fence. Babylon crumble slow but sure. Each lie exposed, them can't endure. Me hold the faith, me hold me ground, till Zion trumpet shake the town. Burn Babylon slow. One truth that stop the show. No need for rage or haste. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Yes, burn it slow but burn it real. Zion come and wounds will heal.
Give me the paper, star sick. Oh yo yo. Oh yo. Yeah man. The fire burn, it never go out. Burning bright through the struggle and doubt. Lift up your heart, the journey begin. Jah power, the fire within. Them try to break we, but we stand firm. Every trial is a lesson we learn. The system heavy, but this soul is free. Jah spirit bring we victory. From the streets of Kingston to the African plain. The struggle the same, the love remain. The roots grow deep, the branches tall. One world, one people, rise above all. The fire within, it never go out. Burning bright through the struggle and doubt. Lift up your heart, the journey begin. Jah power, the fire within. Music are the weapon, love are the key. Unlock the chain, set the captives free. The beat are the heart, the rhythm divine. Reggae are the bridge where the spirits align. Not fear the shadow, not fear the night. The star of Jah shine pure and bright. The fire of truth make the darkness fade. We keep on marching in the light Jah made. Oh, the fire ignite. Feel the power, feel the light. Oh, the message clear. Jah love, Jah near. The fire within, it never go out. Burning bright through the struggle and doubt. Lift up your heart, the journey begin. Jah power, the fire within. So rise my people, now let them win. Jaja guide you through thick and thin. The fire a burn, it never fade. In the warmth of Jah we unafraid.
Aye, aye, aye. Smoke a spliff with Zion reggae, yeah, man. Stand so tall upon the hill, tower guard by Jah's strong will, beacon bright for all to see, symbol of eternity, stone of faith and root of love. Tower keep eternity, stand forever, guard the flame, shine in Jah eternal name. When the morning sun arise, tower blaze across the skies. It guard the youth, it guide the old. Tell the story prophets told, from first stone to final call. Tower stand above it all, strong in truth and strong in grace. Tower mark the holy place. Strong
Aye, ganja is just medicine. Aye, ganja is just medicine. First light break across the land, crown of dawn in Jahan. Every color born anew, crown of mercy shine for you. Darkness fade, the shadows run, crown of dawn embrace the sun. Every glow a sacred flame, crown uplift the holy name. Elder rise and start to pray, crown of dawn reveal the way. Every heart begin to wear, crown of love no man can fade. Babylon dream now fade away, crown of hope restore the day. Everlasting, bold and pure, crown of truth will still endure. Farmer lift his face to sky, crown of dawn reflect his eye. Every seed a promise made, crown of mercy never fade. Rain descend and light unfold, crown of peace worth more than gold. Every morning bring a new, crown of Zion shine for you. Oh, it right up on the wind, crown of dawn erase the sin. Every word a gentle song, crown of truth keep growing strong. Even darkness cannot hide, crown of justice still abide. Every hue and every ray, crown of dawn define the day. Workers sing up on the field, crown of dawn is only shield. Every labor bless the hand, crown of peace across the land. No oppression, no deceit, crown of love make life complete. Ever pure and ever new, crown of Zion shine for you. Night return but light remain, crown of dawn remove the pain. Every soul begin to rise, crown of truth fill the skies. Generation lift them song, crown of mercy keep them strong. Everlasting, pure and free, crown of dawn eternity. When the world in silence rests, crown of dawn still shine the best. Never fading, never gone, crown of peace keep marching on. Sacred glory bold and high, crown of Zion fill the sky. Eternal flame forever true, crown of dawn shine for you. Rise, rise morning bright, crown of dawn replace the night. Shine, shine golden hue, crown of mercy carry through. Crown of dawn, holy light, guide the world through darkest night. Never fading, never fall, crown of peace embrace us all. Forever shining bold and pure, crown of truth will still endure. Sacred glory bright and new, crown of Zion shine for you.
With Marcus, your man. seek, forever burning, never cease. Zion fire, bring Jah peace. It warm the heart, it light the way. Zion fire, every day, forever glowing pure and white. Zion fire, hold it tight. Me see it blazing morning sun. Zion fire, never done. It cleanse the land, it heal the pain. Zion fire, forever reign, forever burning, strong and true. Zion fire, carry you. It blaze the night, it blaze the dawn. Zion fire still carry on. It rise eternal, pure and strong. Zion fire, just song. No Babylon can dim the flame. Zion fire, praise his name. Eternal burning, pure and free. Zion fire, destiny. It blaze the nations, blaze the sea. Zion fire, eternity. When the trumpet sound again, Zion fire still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion fire, bring Jah peace from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion fire, Jah way, eternal blazing, pure and long. Zion fire, Jah song. Blaze high, blaze free. Zion fire, eternity. No chain, no wall can quench the flame. Zion fire, call Jah name. Zion fire, blaze so bright, shining pure, the holy light. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion fire, exalt Jah name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion fire still carry on.
Oh yo yo, kaya smoke ya man. Me rise with Jah sun, me not snooze. Open up me window, feel the truth. Steam chalice burning slow. Ancient fire, let the blessings flow. Me not in a rush, this a sacred time. Before Babylon invade me mind, me light the herb, me say a prayer. Me spirit cleansing a morning air. Me no need no gold, no fame. Me find the riches in Jah name. Me heart calm like river run. Me joy rise with the morning sun. Sacred smoke rise high. Carry me chance into the sky. Me no fear no shadows deep. Jah protect me in me sleep. We roll up wisdom, inhale grace. Find serenity in this space. Sacred smoke and morning light, guiding me soul through day and night. Me walk barefoot on red dirt trail. Me ears hear bird, me heart excel. Me see the children laugh and run. Them no yet lost to machine and gun. Me whole a reasoning with me brethren true. Talk about life and what we been through. Them say love is weak, me say them lie. It take real strength fi stand and try. Me no need no filter on this face. Rasta live raw, me know me place. One pot cook fi the whole crew. Real life sweet like ital stew. Me live slow, me think deep. Me like Jah present deep inside. Me no smoke just forget I. Me smoke for reason with the most high. Every puff of meditation, every breath of prayer. Me connect with spirit in the open air. Sacred smoke rise high. Carry the blessings from the sky. Me nah need no artificial light. Just shine for me every night. We roll up roots, inhale peace from stress and worry. Me release sacred smoke and morning light. A Rasta's guide me soul ignite. Me build me space with love and care. No plastic life, just vibes rare. Me family gather round every fire. No more wage, no boss, no liar. Me see too much people chase empty things. Phone in a hand but soul can't sing. Me say slow down, take back your time. Plant your food and build your shrine. Me chant psalms pan mountain top. Me not care if the city stop. Me spirit fly where eagles dwell. Me soul not trapped in digital hell. So come sit under this tree. Light one up and reason with me. This life not easy, but it's divine. With sacred smoke and Jah a sign.
Na na na, down by the riverside. Smoke spliff, yeah man. Me sit by the river, calm and wide. Me hear the rhythm, me feel the tide. Each ripple speak in a sacred code, like ancient drum beat, like secret road. The herb a bun low, me eyes them close. Me spirit float where the wisdom grows. No worry now, no Babylon sound, just roots and healing all around. River na the mind flow, sweet and slow. Take me where only true ones go. Wash me clean from pain and lie. Lift me high in a just sky. River na the soul, cool and deep. Carry me dream into conscious sleep. One drop, one thought, one prayer rise. Me see me truth with open eyes. Me smoke a draft for the clarity. Me feel Jah love like melody. No preacher fi tell I what real. Me find the message, me heart can feel. The mango fall, the breeze it sing. Me joy no come from material thing. Me joy a grow from silent days. Me chant alone, me soul give praise. Me nah rush, me nah run race. Me walk with peace and Jaja grace. Me tread slope on healing earth. Each step remind me of my worth. Me mind a garden, me thoughts a seed. Me water them with what I need. Ganja plant, sun and rain. Grow me life out of struggle and pain. River na the mind flow, sweet and slow. Take me where only real vibes go. Wash me from the fear and fight. Shine me so like morning light. River in a heart, so calm and true. Every drop a word from you. Me reason with me, higher self. Me realize Jah is me wealth. Me meet me brethren under fig tree shade. We pass the chalice, vibes get laid. We reason long bout love and soul, both dreams and fire and staying whole. No competition in a this life, just balance healing. No strife, me share me fruits, me share me song. Me know Jah bless where I belong. So if you're stressed and thing get tight, come to the river, embrace the light. Let go the noise, the fast, the blind. Come find the river in your mind. Smoke a draw and just be still. Jah guide you with him holy will.
River in the mind, Zion call. One love eternal, rise and fall, I'd say.
Na na, na 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 na, Zion reggae, yeah man. River flow from holy ground, Zion water all around. It heal the thirsty, heal the weak. River truth all people seek, forever flowing clear and wide. River of Jah by my side, eternal current, never dry. River Zion flowing high, river of Zion pure and deep. Bless the soul and bless the sheep. Living water, holy flame. River flowing Jah name. It cool the weary, wash the pain. River Zion bless again. No drought, no desert, no man control. River of Jah cleanse me soul, forever streaming strong and free. River Zion carry me from mountain top to ocean wide. River Jah forever guide me. See the elder take a sip. River Zion heal the lip. It bless the children, bless the meek. River of truth all people seek, forever holy, never gone. River of Jah forever strong, eternal flow from throne above. River Zion water love. No Babylon can dam this stream. River Zion holy dream. It cut the stone, it cleared the way. River of Jah every day, forever pure, forever new. River Zion carry through, it wash away the guilt, the shame. River flow in Jah name. When the final trumpet play, River Zion flow same way, forever streaming, never cease. River of Jah, eternal peace. It call the nations, call them home. River Zion never roam. Holy water, strong and free. River Jah for you and me. Flow long, flow high. River Zion never dry. No wall, no chain can block the way. River Jah forever stay. River of Zion pure and deep. Bless the soul and bless the sheep. Living water, holy flame. River flowing Jah name. From dawn of time to final day. River Zion never stray.
Ay, ganja. Deep inna this fetka. Yeah, man. Me step on soil where ancestors bleed. Them spirit guide me every deed. Roots deep, me can't forget. Babylon tremble when we reset. Them a build up the tower high, but roots crack, concrete touch the sky. Them say control is all them know, but nature teach we how we grow. Them a sell illusion, sell fake gold. But me say wisdom nah get old. Me link with earth, me link with star. Babylon can't define who me are. Roots rebellion, rise again. Breaking chain with heart and pen. We nah bow, we nah bend. Jah warriors to the end. Roots rebellion, shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. We nah lose, we nah fade. Freedom anthem forever played. The youth them wise, the youth them bold. Can't fool them with lie them told. Every system soon collapse. Like sand slipping through them grasp. The mountain watch, the river run. Truth shine bright like morning sun. Them a spy, them a scheme, but we live up the highest dream. Them say be quiet, stay small, but me voice echo through them wall. We not ask permission, fee be free. We claim the birthright destiny. From Africa, straight to yard. We connect like lion guard. Roots rebellion, sound the call. Stand firm, now fear the fall. Roots rebellion, rise again. Breaking chain with heart and pen. We nah bow, we nah bend. Jah warriors to the end. Roots rebellion, shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. We nah lose, we nah fade. Freedom anthem forever played. Me chant for the mother, me chant for the child. For all who Babylon make wild. Me chant for the healer, for the poor, for the ones knocking on freedom door. Every drum beat, a signal clear. The system day of reckoning near. Hold tight to the roots, me friend. Rebellion righteous till the end. So rise up now, hear the call. Roots rebellion for one and all. The chains break, the spirit fly. We free under just sky. Wait, Wadrook Rebellion, Aliviada.
Ay, ay, ay. Mantai. Davai. Pretty Kazakh.
Step by step upon the way. Zion light guide night and day. Through the valley, through the storm. Jah keep the people safe and warm. Every footstep mark the ground with the truth that Jah has found. Babylon road lead to fall, but Zion path redeem us all. Path of Zion straight and true. Walk it high and walk it you. Through
unite us all. Step by step, don't turn aside. Jah provide and Jah will guide. Through the fire, through the rain, path of Zion never stray.